Now let's set up the environment so that we can start implementing with this technology. So for downloading this Bootstrap, we will go to the official website of Bootstrap, from where we will download the package, and once we are ready with those particular things, what we are going to get is the scaffolding. Scaffolding means we will get a number of folders differently for the CSS, for the JS in the different folders, so that we can actually pick up the particular concept. Like it will not be hard to find whatever we are getting from the package, because it will be scaffolded in a particular, it will be structured on the particular folders. CSS is basically the set of all the classes which we can apply in the different parts of our web page, such as the header, the table, div, or maybe any other tag. Components, like if you want to work with any, let's say, glyph icons, all right, you want to create a button in which you want to put an icon. So these are all the part of components which you will get from the package. And the JavaScript plugins. JavaScript plugins will basically help us in making the rapid application development. All right, like plugins will give us some predefined functionality for which we don't have to make much efforts. So let's start working on the environment setup now. So to get started with the environment setup of Bootstrap, first of all, I'll have to come on the official website of Bootstrap, that is getbootstrap.com. And here in the home page, you will find a link for downloading. As soon as I'll follow this, here I'll get a number of options to download and to set the environment for Bootstrap. First option is to download the compiled CSS and JS file. So when you will download that, you will get the compiled code for this particular version of Bootstrap. Similarly, you can also download the core source file of the Bootstrap, that is the uncompiled version of Bootstrap, for which you will have to compile the Bootstrap as per your own requirement. Now next one is the Bootstrap CDN, where you will get the link of the required CSS and JS file, which you can copy and can start working on Bootstrap. Similarly, you have the package managers. Maybe if you are working with Node.js, then you have npm. For Ruby gems, for Composer, for Bower, for NuGet, you have the different kind of the environment available for which you can just configure and download your Bootstrap. Here I'll start working with the compiled CSS and JS file. So I'll click here on the download, and as soon as I'll do that, it will start downloading Bootstrap on my local system. I have downloaded the required files in my system. In the next video, we'll see how can we get started with the implementation of Bootstrap.